everybody, we're back again to visit one of our other Orlando hotels. By the way, it's me, A.L.E. Flores with Orlando Vacation, just in case you forgot. Today we are visiting an official Walt Disney World hotel that we partner with. The one I'm talking about today is the Hilton Orlando Buena Vista Palace, located in the Disney Springs area. This resort pulls out all the stops when it comes to what resort amenities guests are looking for on their Orlando vacation, so we're super excited to share these with you. But before we get into all that excitement, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified when these videos pop up, okay? Go ahead and do that, I'll give you a second. Excellent. Okay, besides location, there are some other great amenities that guests love when staying at the Hilton Orlando Buena Vista Palace. This resort not only has one pool, but it actually has two large pools with private cabanas. The Lazy River Float Lagoon is a relaxing experience while sipping on a drink from the pool bar. Shade's Pool Bar also adds food service, so it's convenient for lunch around the zero entry pool without having to head back to your room. Hilton Orlando Buena Vista Palace has a 24-hour fitness area that is one of the larger ones we've seen, with state-of-the-art equipment so you can work off some of that vacation weight that is sure to be gained while eating at the theme parks. If you'd rather get some energy out in a more entertaining way, the Hilton Buena Vista Palace inside Walt Disney World does offer an arcade that is family-friendly with different types of games to suit everyone. Can't sleep? The arcade's open 24 hours a day. No other hotel in Orlando can say that. We also like that guests can rent a DVD from the DVD Now rentals, so you can catch up on your favorite Disney movies before you meet the characters in the park. Since this Orlando hotel is an official Walt Disney World hotel, there are advantages to staying here that the guests staying at other properties will not get. Complimentary shuttle services to Disney's 4 theme parks will save you so much money on parking and transportation, as well as you have access to make advanced dining reservations to their exclusive Disney Springs Passport. You can always eat at one of the on-site restaurants, as Hilton Orlando Buena Vista Palace has plenty of options to choose from. You can dine with a lake view while enjoying American cuisine, grab a drink at Sunny's or Blue, which is a sports bar, perfect for dad who can catch a glimpse of the football game. They do have some quick meal options if you're on the go at Citrus 28, or my favorite is I can order from any of these restaurants online and they bring it to your room. Make sure you give us a call to get updated information on the Mickey character breakfast that will be sure to put a smile on your family's face. This is an extra charge and only on select days, so it's important that you look into this early if you want to add it to your Orlando vacation package. If you only have a limited amount of time to visit Disney World's theme parks, you'll want to take advantage of the Disney Early Pass when you gain entrance to any of Disney's theme parks 30 minutes early before they officially open to guests. Dads, did you know that you can book a tea time at a discounted rate and get 50% off equipment rentals while you send mom and kids off shopping at Disney Springs after you grab the discounts guide at check-in? It's a win-win. Hilton Buena Vista Palace inside Walt Disney World offers a few different options for rooms that guests can choose from. The cheapest options for those on a stricter budget will want to look at the gorgeous Resort View guest room that sleeps a maximum of 4 guests. Those with a larger family of 6 tend to enjoy the exceptional Family Island suite, where there's more room to spread out so it doesn't feel like the standard hotel room. Other favorite room types for the Hilton Buena Vista Palace is going to be the beautiful Epcot fireworks view, where, you guessed it, you can see fireworks from your hotel room. No need to worry about fighting the crowd or miss out on this exciting show. Families who have a child with autism love to book this room so they can still see the extravagant entertainment without overstimulating their child from the noise. Rooms do come with a sitting area and a workstation for those who are on a workcation, as this has become more common since the start of COVID. Other amenities include a mini fridge, in-room safe, LCD TVs, and more. So, how much does this hotel typically charge per night? Well, since the Hotel Buena Vista Palace is technically inside Walt Disney World and branded as an official Walt Disney World hotel, this hotel is going to run on the higher end compared to the Holiday Inns we offer right down the street. In off-peak season, you might see rates with us here at OrlandoVacation.com for around $129 to $159 per night in the peak season around the holidays. This is our heavily discounted price for the Hilton Buena Vista Palace inside the Walt Disney World Resort. If you look at other booking websites or on Hilton, you'll most likely see rates over $200 for the same hotel. Why? Why pay full price for the same exact hotel room and amenities you'd be getting if you booked directly with Hilton Buena Vista Palace? Even if guests book this Orlando hotel through us, they can still give their Hilton Honors number upon check-in to continue earning those points just like they were a guest who booked direct. Since this is a Hilton brand hotel, you know the quality of standards are high to meet the brand, and they do have to meet a minimum of requirements to earn the title of official Walt Disney World Hotel. Guests prefer to book their Orlando hotels with us because they only have to put down a $50 deposit to lock in the rate. So if they go up, they don't have to worry and pay the increased rate. Guests just have to pay the remaining balance 15 days prior to the arrival date. Hilton Orlando Buena Vista Palace does charge a daily resort fee and parking fee that will be due to the hotel upon check-in. Make sure to reach out to one of our reservation specialists by calling 1-800-641-4008 or clicking on the link below in the description to view the updated resort fee amount, as they may change the pricing. We love working with the Hilton Buena Vista Palace inside Disney World, and we hope you book your Orlando vacation early by clicking the link in the description so you can start saving today. And of course, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices, and we have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.